Okay, this is another DAW that you might want to consider. It's called the DC 10.8. It's from a site called diamondcut.com. Now it's total CD and wave restoration. So you can use this to totally restore an audio waveform or CD that you want to clean up or anything like that. So it just goes in the restoration tasks. You can see in the left here, it just says step 1. Click on step 1 and it'll ask you what preamp you want to use. So say you want to use a flat phono preamp, you click on that. It asks you for your stereo monitor recording. So say you want stereo or you did it in stereo, you click on stereo. It'll give you these type of filters here. Okay, so let's go into step 2 here. So it'll tell you the sample rate, bit rate that you can use here. This step is only necessary if you're planning to create an MP3 file or burning your files to a CD. So we go OK. Just wait till that goes through. Okay, so step 3 here. Step 3 removes surface hiss from the recording. Select the record type from the list. So whatever the record type is, you click on, let's say, acoustic record. So we go like that. And then it has a continuous noise filter. So it has attenuation. You can pull things down. Release, attack. If you click on sample noise, it'll give you the sample noise in the audio frame. So it'll give you all this right here. So this DAW is packed with a lot of great stuff. So it'll give you all kinds of different features, and it's packed like this. Demo audio wave file, denoise, and whatever one you click on, it's packed with an enormous amount of presets that you can use. Okay, so as we go on, it says remove clicks and pops. Right, so it goes crackle, scratch, narrow crackle. You can preview and just go run filter and remove background noise and hiss. Oh, we already did that, didn't we? Okay. Remove power line hum and buzz. It says odds, evens. Again, it's packed with a lot of great stuff. Full spectrum, the full audio spectrum. Attenuators pull things down. Buzz noise attenuator, so it cleans up the buzz noise and lowers the audio. A lot of great stuff. So enhance the high frequencies. Click on this. So this actually, and it has an actual tube amp filter to it. So in a high noise mode, threshold, mix, wet and dry. Wet means active, dry is not so active, right? Look at the settings here. Warm, if you want your audio to sound warm, you want it to sound full. A lot of great stuff. Equalize the track to your taste. Click on here, so it gives you paragraphic EQ. I'm not sure. I don't think this has a parametric EQ for mastering in this, but I mean, it's basically for restoration, right? You can always pull it into another DAW that you have and, use it for mastering. So it has all the frequencies. You can go sliders to middle position, and you can adjust it to your taste. Modify the dynamics in your song. Okay, so this is called punch and crunch. So it has compression, attack time. So basically it's a compressor. So heavy compression, balanced spectrum, heavy expansion, balanced spectrum, light compression, balanced spectrum, Male lead vocal enhancer. I mean, yeah, a lot of great stuff again, right? Reduce wind noise. Somehow you got wind noise. What's happened here? Something. So high pass filter. So high pass filter. Anything that's coming from lower gets blocked out. Same with a low pass. Anything from the higher gets blocked out. So again, look at all the different demo audio wave file, de-rumble. So you're getting thumping, de-thumping, de-rumble, rumble filter, steep rumble filter. Okay. Let's go see enhanced speech sounds, correct speech for recording. Yeah. Convert stereo file to mono. So if you're going to put it out into a mono file, which you're probably going to do, right? Yeah. Let's go up top here. Okay, so let's go continuous noise filter. That's some of what we are. Harmonic rejection. So if you got some harmonics in the vocals that you want to reject, you can use this filter here. A buzz filter. What else can I click on here to show? Let's see. Fast edit switch. Your file has been modified. Do you want to save it? Okay, so you're saving the file there. Stretch and squash. Okay. So let's see. Slower, faster, slower. Voice effect 2, voice effect 1. Anyways, like I said, it would be a good DAW to get. If you're doing something for a client and you want to clean up the audio that they're giving you, this is a really great DAW to get to clean it up. And it has all the steps, and you just go through the steps, and you can basically go up to the top, fast edit, and click on the different effects here. And overtone generator is another one, right? So wide spectrum second harmonic overtones, very strong second harmonic overtones. I mean, it's got a lot of stuff that you probably wouldn't find in other DAWs when it comes to restoration. So anyways, I'm going to stop there. That's something for you to consider. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for other videos and more content on recording tips, and give it a like and give it a comment, and leave a comment on maybe some videos that you would like to hear, because I'm basically trying to get better at this YouTube stuff. Am I allowed to be that honest? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna stop here. I hope you liked the video. Take care and a happy recording. Bye now.